lacrosse in more ways than one, both nationally and locally in Mississauga. He ranks one of Canada's best players of his generation and still owns the Ontario Major Series record for most goals, 14 in one game in 1946. His career total of 810 goals puts him 10th all-time, even though his career ended in 1949, nearly 60 years ago. Locally, lacrosse was one of the grassroots sports, but it lacked organization, leadership, and vision. Then along came Gordon, and he has pioneered vital changes, playing a leading role in the inception of the Toronto Township Lacrosse Association, a league that would become one of the largest and best grassroots minor lacrosse organizations through the 1960s and 1970s, producing some of the finest junior teams in Canada. In recognition of his visionary role, Gordon was chosen in 1999 as one of 25 most influential people in Mississauga sports. Mississauga Sports Hall of Fame is nearing his 92nd birthday, and Mr. Gare is unable to join us tonight, but his award is being accepted by his grandson, Gordie Gare. And ladies and gentlemen, please congratulate the newest inductee of the Hall of Fame, Mr. Gordon Gare.